Well, hey everybody, the name's Bud and I like trucks. And I'm just here waiting for this coffee to click in.
Hey y'all, my name's Dud. I'm Bud's dad.
You know, Dad, life's confusing. What's this here circular do-humajiggy thing on this coffee bag?
I ain't got the darndest idea what that is, but I know someone who would know. My friend Professor Skeptic. He's the smartest fella I ever met.
Well, why don't you call him?
Hey, I can do better than that. I'll Zoom him. Hey, Professor Skeptic. This is my son, Bud.
I never talked to a real professor before.
Hey, Professor Skeptic, we have a question for you.
Well, make it quick. I have a research project to work on.
Okay. Do you know what this here circular doojamahickey is on coffee bag?
Of course I do. It's a valve, a one-way valve.
A one-way what?
It's a valve, a one-way valve.
I don't mean to be disrespecting, Professor, but can you explain that to us in simple English?
It's a one-way valve. It lets air go out but not in. I'll show you. Put the circle part of the coffee bag right up to your nose. Now squeeze the bag and smell.
Wow, that smells like coffee.
That's because the valve lets air out but not in. When coffee is roasted, it gives off gases. These need to come out, or the bag could burst. But to keep the coffee fresh, you don't want air coming in.
Wow, Professor, you're so smart.
Now open the bag and pour the coffee out.
Okay.
I happen to have a Ziploc bag. Why don't you pour it into here?
Am I doing it right, Professor Skeptic? Now what?
Then cut the bag around the valve. Put your lips around the valve and seal them. And then blow.
It's a lot of work. I can blow through it.
That's because it lets air out that way. Now turn it around and try it the other way.
I ain't getting nothing.
That's because it's a one-way valve. It lets air go through in one direction only.
Wow, Professor, that's awesome.
I have to go now. Goodbye, Dud. Goodbye, Dud's son.
Thanks, bye. I told you he was smart.
He ain't too friendly, though.
Well, that's for sure. Well, here's to Professor Skeptic.
To one-way valves.
To one-way
One-way
valves.
But to keep coffee fresh, you don't want air coming in.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to say.